download the Cleo and Cuquin app and enjoy the best children's songs.
Watch out, Cuquin! It's an ant! Look down before you step on it. It's out gathering food for its family. The ant is tiny, 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 tiny. The ant is so tiny. But did you know it's so strong? How strong? So strong! And now, let's play! Tiny, 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 tiny. Strong, strong, strong. Tiny, 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 tiny. Strong, strong, strong. Tiny and strong. Watch out, Cuquin! It's a bee! She collects the nectar from the flowers to make the tasty honey. The bee is tiny, 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 tiny. The bee is so tiny. But did you know it flies so high? How high? So high! And now, let's play! Tiny, 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 tiny. Fly, fly so high! Tiny, 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 tiny. Fly, fly so high! Tiny and it flies! Watch out, Cuquin! It's a worm! It searches for tasty fruits and walks slowly. The worm is so tiny, 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 tiny. The worm is so tiny. But did you know it eats a lot? How much? A lot! And now let's play! Tiny, 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 tiny. Gobbles, gobbles down! Tiny, 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 tiny. Gobbles, gobbles down! Tiny and big eater! Ice cream, sweet, sweet ice cream. Ice cream, who wants ice cream? It's so hot, choose a color please. Yellow ice cream for me. What will the flavor be? Yellow, yellow.
Cheese is yellow. Cheese ice cream? No!
Yellow, yellow.
Lemons are yellow. Lemon ice cream? Yes! Lemon ice cream. It's so yellow and so fresh.
Ice cream, sweet, sweet ice cream. Red ice cream for me. What will the flavor be? Red, red.
Tomatoes are red. Tomato ice cream? No!
Red, red.
Strawberries are red. Strawberry ice cream? Yes! Strawberry ice cream? What a sweet surprise!
Ice cream, sweet, sweet ice cream. Orange ice cream for me. What will the flavor be? Orange, Ice cream, sweet, sweet ice cream. Ice cream, who wants ice cream? It's so hot, it's so hot. Choose a color, please.
I want orange!
What will the flavor be?
Banana ice cream? Yes! Grape ice cream? Yes! Candy ice cream? Yes! Rainbow ice cream! What a sweet dream!
Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. The sun was on his side, so he knew that he could win. He ran, 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 just as quick as he could spin. And then the spider learned he can always try again. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. The itsy bitsy spider, he never had a doubt. The itsy bitsy spider, he never had a doubt. All he had to do was spin his web out. He worked, 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 and when the time was right, the itsy bitsy spider, he tries, he tries, he tries. The itsy bitsy spider, the sun is on his side.